Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Research and Analysis. My name is Dr. Kamran. In this video, I am going to discuss how to add a research article to Google Scholar profile. If you do not have a Google Scholar profile and want to know it how to create the Google Scholar profile, you can watch one of my video, and the link of that video I will also provide in the description of this video so that you can watch and understand how to create a Google Scholar profile. So this is in fact my profile, which contains almost 20 research articles, and here is the details about the citation, high index. So let's move on to my sample profile where I'm going to add an article. Simply go to the title, and from here just click add articles. When we will click add article, so a list will appear in front of us, and from this list we need to trace out those articles that belong to our profile. For instance, these are 3 articles that belong to me and I want to add these articles to my profile. I will simply select them and click this tick mark. See, now those articles have been added to my profile. So this is how you can add the articles from the list which is suggested by the Google Scholar. If you find some of the articles that are not given in the Google Scholar, or you can say you are unable to find those articles on Google Scholar and there is no recommendation from the Google Scholar as well, then what you can do, simply go to this title plus add, and then simply click add articles manually. Here you can write all the details. After that you need to click this tick mark. So this is how you can also add the articles manually.